getting a black Mustang, taking it up the street to a friend's shop, and we're gonna get the tarp, or go find out how much it costs. Not a tarp, the cover. Fix this baby right here. So we're gonna see how much that's gonna be. So I'm about to take a drive. Old Mustang, baby. Yep. Brought my Mustang back to life. Thank you, A4. Brought it back. I still gotta get a new tarp, y'all. I'm doing that. Not this weekend, but I'm at least getting a tarp on. That is happening next week. Next Saturday. Boy, that's clean. Shampooed all the carpets. Smell good. Look at that. Look at that window out. But it's still clean. I just wish I made money faster to finish this car. Next weekend. All right, I already bought it. So, new tarp coming soon. Look how clean. Look how clean that shit is. Woo! That tarp tore up. Gotta fix that shit. So.
That's your window.
Okay. Sorry for making a mess, dog. Apologize, man.
Oh no. Paper so it doesn't scratch the window.
That is so dope. I'm gonna get it tinted though. I want it nice and black after.
It's hard to tint that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh man, so what do I do if I can't tint it? Damn, that top is big. And then I got the thing that goes in the middle of it so I don't poke a hole through it. Yeah. So if I can't tint the window, what do I do?
I say they compact it pretty well.
Gosh. Oh shit. It looks good. I'm excited.
Good convertible top material in there.
Oh, it feels good.
Is this the pinpoint or the cell phone?
I can't get off now. Don't record it. Let me get off this shit. This part right here will take hours. You're recording it. Oh, shit.
Go.
Oh, look how cute. So cute. It's time to go to bed. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yes, I love you. I will treat you right. I would never break your heart. Just kidding. Guarantee you $1,200. I'm in there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, take that right now.
I might not be able to make it back home.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah. It's just
It's
probably the radiator fluid.
yeah.
So, What? Look at the fire.
Literally fire, huh? I see that shit.
It's a fucking fire. Hold on. Let me set this up. And why is the oil gauge not on? It's a fucking fire. I had that leak bad. The oil leaks.
Damn.
2 pistons is gone. This motor might be fucking trashed. I don't care if it gets down there and he tells me the motor's trashed and I'm like, fuck it. Put a new motor in there or give me something. He said we'll LS swap it or something. Do a LS. I would like to keep it originally so I don't have to change. Because if he does an LS, I have to change the rear end and the front end.
Really?
Yep. So I don't want to have to change the rear and the front end. But if I have something, I like it too. That's why I want to lift it. I want to put a lift kit, put some black rims, 26s.
26?
Yes, sir. And I want all black lights, black back, all tinted black windows. And I like the convertible because it looks nice with the top down. So I'm going to do peanut butter in the interior and black and gold. That's the whole car. Look at the interior. Look how neat it is. Just old. Yes, sir. Just finished washing the Mustang because it's got a brand new car and it's been sitting for a while, so dirty. So I had to get the top clean. Gonna go home and dry it so it looks really, really nice, really awesome. It's gonna get shipped out to Arizona in a week. So it's gonna get a new turbo, a rebuilt motor. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the same 2.3 or I might upgrade to a LS swap or something. If you have any ideas, just jump in the comments and let me know what you want to see inside the Fox Body Mustang. But I got a lot of surprises coming up, so it's a late night on a Tuesday, but had to come out and wash it.
What?
1,800 bucks.
Just the top?
1,800.
Damn.
Yes. $1,800 top. 88 convertible top. There it is. There it is. Or 1,800 Fox Body top. There it is. That's how you should do it. Here. So I trusted them to do this first. They did an awesome job. Oh, gone.
Oh, it's gone.
Got a sunroof in my convertible top. Shit, yeah. We should make it home because it's only squirt now.
Yeah.
Because I had it running so long. I gotta get a new TV.